Hey guys, it's Tia Sorensen, and I'm here this week to talk to you about goals and to-do lists. And today I have a very special guest.
Hello, my name is Minnie. I'm a Chorgi. That's a Chihuahua and a Corgi.
Today's topic is a little overdone, right? We all know we're supposed to make goals. We all know what kinds of goals to make. We get it. So today, instead of talking about why it's important to make goals and what kinds of goals to make, I want to talk to you about some of the processes that I use that I've found really helpful, and maybe you can too. First, I want to make a few book recommendations. These are books that have helped me in a few different areas that are life-changing, frankly. I love these books.
I can't read.
The first one is called Push by Chalene Johnson. It's a little bit more geared towards health and fitness, but this is the best way I have found to organize yourself with goals and to-do lists. I love this book. Number 2 is called You Are a Badass at Making Money by SINCERO. We all have hang-ups about money. I know that we want to be creative and do this for a passion, but the reality is, we have to make money to be able to do it. This book kind of breaks down a lot of those weird things that we have in our brains about money. And the third is more on the creative side. This is called Artist's Way by Julia Cameron. And I just started working through this one with an acting teacher, and I'm pretty obsessed with it. So those are my 3 recommendations for you. I hope you pick them up.
Number 1, brain dump.
So the first thing you want to do to get yourself organized is a brain dump. This means put everything that's in your brain onto a sheet of paper. This is a list of everything that you could possibly need to do, from buy eggs to sign with a big agent.
Like go for a walk, eat breakfast, chase ball.
So now you want to take all of those things that you've just dumped out of your brain and organize them into manageable lists.
Number 2, organize your lists.
You can label these however you want, but I like to label them today, tomorrow, this week, this month, this quarter, and this year.
I only have a today list. I like to live in the moment.
That way, when you're checking your lists every single day, you can move items from those lists. So maybe something starts out on this month, and then you have to move it to this week, and then all of a sudden it has to move to today. Once those are all organized, you can think of new things and add them to the list they need to go on, and they're always there for you.
Number 3, daily must-dos and want-tos.
Now let's talk about what your daily list should consist of. So I like to split up my tasks into 2 categories: the must-dos and the want-tos. The must-dos are the things that I don't really want to do, but I kind of have to. Like my business finances or finding leads to reach out to. That stuff is crazy boring to me and I don't want to do it. The want-tos are like working on a monologue for my acting class or recording a new commercial for a client. I take the must-dos and I try to condense it down into a 2-hour period of my day. Because if I know that those must-do things are condensed into a couple hours of my day, and as soon as that couple hours is done, I get to work on things that I enjoy, I feel so much better. And understand, the want-tos are still things that have to get done. It's just the stuff that's more enjoyable. It's not the stuff that like you feel like you're maybe banging your head against a wall trying to get it done.
Like I must do my training, but I really want to take naps, and that's an important part of my day.
And one last quick note, make sure you celebrate your achievements, even the little ones, just briefly, so you feel that accomplishment, you feel that pride in what you're doing, and you show yourself some love. Thank you so much to my special guest. I couldn't have done it without you.
It was very nice to meet you. I wish you lots of luck in all of your endeavors.
And next week we'll be talking about my healthy voice routine in the morning, so I will talk to you then. Thanks guys, bye.